Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for March 15th to the 27th. Before I get into the pattern, I want to talk about the upcoming winter storm that will affect the Mid-Atlantic. You're looking here at the GFS, and you can see the beginning of the storm down here across the southern portions of the screen. And the green is rain, the blue is snow. So we're going to go forward a time. Now look at this. The GFS keeps most of the activity offshore with later snowfall here. This is the GFS. Okay. Now we're going to look at the European. Okay, this is European. And the European has lighter precipitation. This is the bulk of the heavy precipitation. This also has it missing Long Island winter storm, or portions of Long Island where winter storm warnings are issued. But it kind of clips here Massachusetts. So this is the European, which continues to be the furthest offshore, but the models have been shifting slightly to the west. And I'm going to see if this trend continues. And this can still happen during the event. So right now, lighter accumulations are forecast over interior areas, and the heaviest precipitation will occur across Long Island and maybe portions of Connecticut. Okay, now for the forecast period. Forecast. This is from March 15th to 19th. And we're going to go here to the 15th. And this is how the patterns forecast to look like. We're going to have a ridge near the Aleutians, trough here over the eastern Pacific. Ridge in the west, trough in the east. We have above normal heights here. And we have a bit of a split flow developing here across the western U.S. During the period, rain and higher elevation snows are likely across Northern California and extend to the southwest over the weekend. Precipitation is also forecast from the plains to the Atlantic coast, and the rain could be locally heavy along the east coast. Areas from the central plains eastward will experience temperatures more than 10 degrees above normal. March 18th to 22nd. Here we are at the 18th, and little overall changes forecast in the flow. We're going to look at the rest of the models. You can see it remains generally unchanged. We have a ridge, trough configuration above normal heights here. Still a bit of a split flow. We have a broadside kind of flow across the northeast, flatter flow across the southern U.S. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures for portions of the west and for the east. Forecast anomalies to be near 6 degrees below normal, and above normal temperatures are forecast here, with the anomalies near 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Calling for above normal precipitation here and for this region. And I'm forecasting probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. Below normal precipitation is forecast for the southern plains, and probability of occurrence is 50%. March 23rd to 27th. Here we are at the 23rd. And we're going to go forward, and you can see that the pattern de-amplifies to almost a zone of flow. This map here is the GEFS. This map here is European ensembles. And then we come to 27, you see how it basically goes zonal, but we still have our trough our main centers, positive height anomalies here, negative here, trough. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here with anomalies of maybe 6 degrees below normal, and we have below normal temperatures for the northeast, and probability of occurrence, the forecast anomalies of 6 degrees below normal are forecast, and we have above normal temperatures for this region here, and forecast anomalies of 6 degrees above normal are forecast. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the west coast, and for this region here, probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%, and we have below normal precipitation, again forecast for the southern plains. Probability of occurrence is 40%. So that's the long range weather forecast discussion for March 15th to the 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Lumley's World of Weather, and have a good day.